subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus is reportedly gearing up to launch its new upcoming phone called OnePlus 8T. And before the launch, the smartphone renders and key specifications were surfaced online by Rise Baba in partner with OnLeaks. According to leaks, the OnePlus 8T will support a flat 6.55-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate, and it will feature a hole punch at the top left corner that will house a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone will support a quad camera setup in L shape at the top left corner under the rectangular module including LED flash. The quad rear cameras will include one 48-megapixel main camera along with the 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens plus 5-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel portrait sensor. Under the hood, the OnePlus 8T will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone will pack with 8 or 12GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage. On the software front, the handset will run on latest Android 11 with Oxygen OS 11 skin on top. The device will come equipped by 4500 mAh battery that will support 65 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone will also feature an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. Apart from this, there is no other details of OnePlus 8T has leaked so far, and we expect the phone to launch soon in the coming days. So, as of now, that's all we know about the OnePlus 8T smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.